Hello, good morning guys. Um look, it's just morning and I just woke up, so sorry about my face today, but I just wanted to show you what our morning looks like right now, because I know you've heard about the California wildfires. So we are located here in Washington, so the smoke from California is like going all the way here. It already reached us, so I'm just gonna, normally our mornings are like not cloudy or not smoky, like it's very clear. But so it's already 8 a.m. in the morning now, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside, and it's freaking smoky still. Like, I'm scared. So let me see if we can see that. So guys, so I cannot open I will not open the door because it's scary for me because I have asthma. So just look at that. It's really smoky. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but yeah. So that's what it looks like right now. It's like right now it's really orange. It's already 8 a.m. Usually this time, like the past few days, it's like really bright already. It's really clear, but right now it's like smoky. Like we are in the mist. You know that movie? Like we're in the mist. So yeah, it's really smoky. Like I'll show you some pictures, probably, that if that can be captured clearly by the camera. So yeah, so that is it. Yeah, let me try to open the door. Damn, just look at that. It's really smoky everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. As you can see, it has a certain smell though. I can't explain what smell is it, but it does smell something. There, I think that's much clearer. So yeah, it's already 8 a.m. now guys. So like it's really smoky. You can't see the clouds. Yeah, it does smell like burning wood or something, but I don't know. So we were just advised to stay inside the house. So there you go guys. Yeah, right, it's not usually like this, like in the morning. So what time is it?
8.
Just show the time. Don't fail me. Okay, there. 8. Yeah. Okay, now let's see the outside.
I'm passing you the camera, baby.
Yeah, I can't really tell. This is my first time. You said you experienced wildfires before.
Last year.
Is it like this? Or is this the worst that it has ever gotten in?
This is more bizarre than last year, I think.
This is like orange sky. I don't know if the camera can pick it up.
It's not, it's brightening it.
Yeah.
It is so bizarre.
Yeah. I'm like, look at that. Can you describe the smell? You can't tell the smell.
It's like burning wood.
Yeah, that's
like
what
pine trees.
Yeah, that's what I've been like seeing.
It's everything.
And also the backyard, right?
It's too bad this camera isn't picking up like the actual like content or color of the neighborhood.
Cool. But this
It's filtering it.
Okay, so this guys is the shot from my camera phone. So, because I don't think my camera can depict the colors, like the real color. It's like it's orange sky right now. Like, look at that, there's no clouds. Damn.
There we go, now it's all orange.
Damn, it smells like, yeah, burning wood. Like, look at the roots, yeah. That's more like it. Yeah, here's the smoke, guys. It's getting here in Washington.
There we go.
Yeah, like that's the real color of the sky right now. Dang, we're orange. This is my first time here in Washington. I've never experienced this. Oh, yeah. When did the wildfires started? I think I can't remember when the wildfire started in California, but yeah, this is our situation now. Even our backyard is orange. I didn't film an outro, but that is our current situation. But we're safe now. I'm just gonna stay inside. So I hope you guys stay safe wherever you are, and I hope this too shall pass. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.